All right, so this is going to be our last day looking at solving linear equations, okay? I'm going to do a couple of these with you, and you'll be free to do them on your own. Today, the worksheet is like this. So you'll solve the question, okay? You'll solve for x. You'll find which answer choice is correct, and then on the back side, you have just a circle. And you're going to be drawing a face. You're going to be doing whatever they say. So it might be open mouth smile, closed mouth frown, yawning mouth, okay? You'll just be adding to the picture as you go along. But again, I will say, submit your answers before you draw the picture, okay? I think that's super important to submit your answers first. That way you don't draw the wrong thing or do the wrong thing, and that way you'll have time to still get credit and then play and draw your picture, okay? So let's look at a couple together. So number one, again, I'm going to use the calculator, okay? Because this is just a review and to do your very best. So split it right down the middle. We put all this into y1. So 2x, minus 4 parentheses x minus 1. In y2, we put the other side, 10. Okay, graph it. Alrighty, second, trace, 5, enter, enter, enter. X is negative 3, so you would use this one. So the picture is going to have an open mouth smile, okay? Now let's look at number 2, okay? Y equals, let's put that first side, so 4x plus, remember parentheses around fractions, 1/2, 8x plus 6, okay? And then we put the other side into y2, so 2 times 4x plus 3, okay? Graph it. Okay, so second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. Okay, no sign change. Okay, so we can try zooming out. Because remember I told you always do that, try to zoom out. So graph, zoom, zoom out. We'll try it one more time. Second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. It still didn't work, right? Okay, so let's try zooming in. Let's try zooming in. And then zoom in one more time. First line and second line. So if you look here, these lines actually have the same exact slope, okay? The same exact slope, they're never ever going to cross. What do we call it if two lines never ever cross? No solution. Okay? So we're going to have crossed eyes. All right, number 3. Number 3. Okay, so let's clear our calculator to put our graph back where it's supposed to be at. Y equals, so we have 6x plus 8 into y1. And in y2 we have 12x plus 4. Graph. All right, second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. It says it's 0.66666, okay? So quit, type that in, 0.6 all the way across. And then hit math, enter, enter. That's 2/3, okay? So here, x equals 2/3. So thin eyebrows. All right, now let's look at number 6. Number 6, so y equals, into y1, we're going to put the 6 plus 2x minus 5. Oh, plus 4x, sorry. In y2, put 44. Graph it. Second, trace 5, enter, enter, enter. This one says x equals 8, Oh, and they'll have dimples. That's the little holes you have on the sides of your cheek when you smile. That's called dimples. Okay, let's look at number 7. Number 7. So y equals, we have 4x plus 3 minus 4. Then we have 8 parentheses. Do parentheses again because of fractions. Okay. X plus 1. All right, graph. Okay, second trace 5. Enter, enter, enter. Okay, so it says x is 0, but I want you to look at something real fast. We don't see 2 lines on this page, right? Look at your table. They're exactly the same numbers, which means we have one line right on top of the other. What do we call that when we have one line right on top of the other? What's that called? Infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. So our face is going to have a pointy nose. Okay, so you're going to finish the rest of this worksheet on your own. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, submit your answers first, then draw your face, okay? It's due by the end of the class period. Good luck, guys.